Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to look how to add navigation to your website. I've uploaded a templated website and the navigation is here at the top in the header. And by clicking these links, it will take you to a different part of the page. Go to Gallery, go to Live, to Contact. I'm going to add some navigation into the footer. It's the footer down here. So I'll click Row, Add, above. I now have a row in the footer. If I go to Widgets, I either type in navigation or scroll right down to the bottom, and I can drag in navigation links. It will either site displays all pages, which is all the pages that are currently on here, which is just about visible here, or I can custom the links, and I might just want a home. There's only one page on this website. The navigation actually take you to anchor points. So if I go to anchor, I can select the home page and select an anchor here. I can add another one. Again, I'll need to change it to an anchor, home, and select where I want it to go. Contact. They can also link to a web URL, and if there are more pages, it can link to a page within the website. So it's now at the bottom here. You can barely see the writing. Now let's design this. We can change the layout. We can have it horizontal with a logo, shown here, but we'll just keep it horizontal, and we can change the way it looks. We can have it with a square around it. In terms of the pages, you can have a frame background color. Might want to do that. Let's have it white. So we can now see it. Space between items, you can put them in here by adding in some spacing. You can have a divider, lines, slants, but let's have lines. I like that. And you can have a divider color. We'll have this color. In terms of the link text, you can change the font, the size, the color, and have it bold. I'll keep it as it is. In terms of the selected page, we might want it to do something. So we might want it to, I don't know, roll over. So we can add an effect as we scroll across the navigation. Any sub-pages, there are no sub-pages here, but if they were, you can change the background color, add a shadow, space between items, divider, and update the link text as well. And here's some more opportunities for spacing, if you so wish it. So that's how you add a navigation to your website. Let's just go back to an anchor point. If I would like to add an anchor point in this row, let's add an image into the row. Go to row, image. Let's have something called sun. We'll take this one. And I can change the size of the image. And I can add the image into the center. Let's call this row, let's give this row an anchor text of sun. So if I go to row, set as anchor, and I give it a name and I call it sun. And add. If I now scroll down to my menu, right hand mouse click, edit the content, add an item, we come over here, it's an anchor, select it's the home page, and we call the anchor sun. Let's preview this page, scroll down to the bottom. If we hit sun, it will take us to the part of the page where we put the sun, and that's what we call an anchor text. And that's how you add navigation to your website.